In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from BDO to PayPal. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before I start, I do want to make a quick disclaimer and say that a lot of users have reported issues when trying to connect their BDO accounts to PayPal. While it is still doable, you might run into some issues, and depending on the type of account or debit card that you have, you might or might not be able to add it to PayPal. In order to see if you can, all you have to do is go over to your wallet page and set up the PayPal website or mobile app, and then select Link a debit or credit card or link a bank account at the top left corner of the screen. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to include the details about the card or the bank account that you would like to add from BDO. So include all of the necessary information, your account number, routing number, and make sure everything is properly validated and legitimate. As long as all the details are correct, you will be able to add the BDO account to your PayPal wallet. Like I said, if you get any sort of issue or presented with an error message, sadly, your BDO account is not accepted on PayPal and there is nothing you can do to link it. Once the account has been added to your PayPal account, you can select the option to add funds and choose the bank account as the source. As long as the bank account or the debit card are connected, you will be able to add funds to your PayPal account using your BDO account. I hope I was able to help you and help to transfer money from BDO to PayPal. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.